Ever spent hours drowning in a sea of receipts, desperately trying to piece together your monthly expense report? Yeah, us too. We've all been there. Scrambling to find that crumpled gas station receipt from 2 weeks ago, hoping the blurry image you snuck with your phone camera is enough for your accounting department. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, expense report warriors. There's a reason why businesses of all sizes are ditching the paper shuffle and turning to expense management software. But with so many options on the market, where do you even begin? Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify, a popular expense management platform. We'll explore its features, see if it's the right fit for you, and uncover some hidden gems, similar software that might be an even better match. So, grab a pen or your favorite note-taking app, because we're about to conquer those expense report blues. Breaking down Expensify, your expense management mate. Expensify burst onto the scene with a user-friendly interface and a focus on simplifying the expense reporting process. Here's a quick rundown of what it offers. Receipt capture. Snap a picture with your phone's camera and Expensify automatically extracts key information like date, amount, and merchant name. No more hunting for lost receipts. Expense categorization. Expensify uses clever algorithms to categorize your expenses, saving you the time and hassle of manually sorting through them. Mileage tracking. Log your business miles directly in the app, eliminating the need for manual calculations. Company card integration. Sync your company card with Expensify for seamless expense tracking and automatic reconciliation. Policy enforcement. Set spending limits and expense categories for your team, ensuring everyone stays within budget. Reporting and reimbursements. Generate reports and submit them for approval with a few clicks. Expensify also streamlines the reimbursement process. Sounds pretty good, right? Expensify certainly has a lot to offer, but is it the only option? Absolutely not. Expensify Alternatives, a world beyond receipts. The beauty of expense management software is the variety available. Here are some strong contenders that might be a better fit for your specific needs. Zoho Expense. This robust platform integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, making it ideal for businesses already invested in the Zoho ecosystem. Zoho Expense offers advanced features like corporate card spend management and real-time expense tracking. Receipt Bank. If receipt capture is your top priority, Receipt Bank is a powerhouse. It boasts superior optical character recognition (OCR) technology, ensuring even the most faded receipts are accurately scanned and categorized. Abukai. This user-friendly option is perfect for small businesses and startups. Abukai offers a free plan with core functionalities like receipt capture and expense categorization. As your business grows, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan for more advanced features. Travel Perk. If business travel is a significant part of your expense picture, Travel Perk is a game changer. This all-in-one platform streamlines the entire travel booking and expense management process, saving you time and money. Remember, when choosing expense management software, consider your company size, budget, specific needs, like robust receipt capture or advanced reporting, and desired level of integration with existing software. Bonus tip. Don't be afraid to leverage free trials offered by most expense management platforms. This allows you to test drive the software and see if it fits seamlessly into your workflow. Wrapping up, expense report freedom awaits. So, there you have it. We explored the world of Expensify and ventured beyond, uncovering a treasure trove of expense management software options. With the right tool in your arsenal, those expense report nightmares can become a distant memory. Remember, the key is to find software that caters to your specific needs and simplifies, rather than complicates, the expense reporting process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.